How to fix Quicken not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script you can use to uninstall Quicken on Mac. 1. Open TextEdit or any other plain text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following code into the editor, #bin/bash. #stop Quicken processes sudo killall Quicken #remove Quicken components sudo rmrf/application/Quicken.app sudo rmrf/library/application /support/Quicken sudo rmrf/library/caches/com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/library/caches/com.crashlytics.data com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/library/caches/io.fabric.sdk.mac.data com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/library/LaunchAgents/com.quicken.QuickenHelper.plist sudo rmrf/library/LaunchDaemons/com.quicken.QuickenLaunchDaemon.plist sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.quicken.QuickenQuickenPlist sudo rmrf/user/$whoami /library/application /support/Quicken sudo rmrf/user/$whoami /library/caches/com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/user/$whoami /library/caches/com.crashlytics.data com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/user/$whoami /library/caches/io.fabric.sdk.mac.data com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/user/$whoami /library/containers/com.quicken.Quicken sudo rmrf/user/$whoami /library/log/Quicken echo Quicken has been uninstalled. 3. Save the file with a name and the .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_quicken.sh, in the directory of your choice. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the file using the cd command. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_quicken.sh and pressing enter. 6. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, Quicken will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.